Bafowethu, Orlando Pirates 3, Marumo Gallants not. Yazi mfethu, it could have been 7. It could have been 7. What a performance by Orlando Pirates. Umdlalo iBest Premiership for the Orlando Pirates. That was match day number 16. Mothathu kubheka mfethu kwi first half of the season saqala kanzima. We lost two games in succession. Ukuthi saluza igame yokuqala nesibili. Ukuthi masisuka manje kwi second round of the league. Game number 16 no game number 17. Sesiwinile number 16 and next game is Mamelodi Sundowns. Utshela ukuthi lokho mfethu, utshela ukuthi kunikaza leya hope. Ukuthi indlela esaqala ngayo akuyona neze indlela esoqeda ngayo. Washo uSjave Ngumeni wathi ke ugogo wathi akuyona indlela oqala ngayo, indlela kodwa oqeda ngayo ebalekile. Before nje ngikhuluma izinto eziningi, bafana bakithi kehleza mntanami, kehle. Iyamaka le ndoda, makhehleni makhawula. Ukhuthele mfethu usefomini uyamaka, uyena poison ke lo. Uyena poison. Wow, what a performance by uMakhawula mfethu. Top notch. Alikho ibhola afuna limhlule, akekho umdlali afuna umhlule. Uyamaka, umthola phambili, umthola emuva, umthola in the middle of the park. What a performance by uMakhehleni mfowethu uMakhawula. Enhla nasezantsi asikho kwisitala kwiBritish Premiership okwamanje esidlula la. Bafethu, this boy is performing. Ureli Buhile Mfugeng. Lo mjida bethu uyadlala ibhola, understand? And he is cool, he is calm, he is connected. It's like mdala kule ndima. Understand? Uza nenkulu experience yet he is so young. Fethu, emagemini awu3 adlulile mangikhumbula kahle uwakore wonke amagoli. Yes, emagemini onke njalo ukorile. He has 3 goals in 3 games. Kutshela ukuthini lokho mfethu? Kutshela ukuthi in terms of performance he is there on top. And mfethu angenzeka intshontshe football of the season already. Engayintshontsha mezoqhubeka kanje because uApolisi has dropped. I don't know what is happening with him, but uApolisi mfethu he is no longer the same. Angazi mhlawumbe khona kumele improve khona but nje urele uSeven nje wayithatha izintambo zinjengoba zinjalo. He is performing week in week out. Tito Maswanganye, what a performance from Umjida mfethu, even though eyekelele yathuka lifana ncomeshini negoli lakarele. Yes, akinga abantu thatha ibhola kulphosene thini uTito, he couldn't kick the ball inside the net, but Urele was able to do so. Utito but he was enjoying his game too. Yabona nje he was on top of his game naye namhlanje. Igoli lokuqala uMbuthuma, uApolisi abona uRele ngepass emnandi ayichipha thola uRele first touch exquisite elentwana abafethu. Abona uMbuthuma adlinet. Hit deflection from Imbumbulu yakatito Maswanganye ihambe iyongena phakathi. Orlando Pirates took the lead, 2 goals. They went to half time leading ngamanqawu amabili. Eqandeni siyabuya. Yadropha ke Pirates. Uyadrop iPirates yanikeza iMarumo Gallants ithuba lokudlala, but sibonga ukuthi iMarumo izange ikore until uRele edlalela yagoli engikutshele ngayo. Yahamba league.
Mufokeng, have some respect. I just witnessed Mufokeng turn somebody inside out. Live inside out. He made him roll on the pitch. If it was me that defend out of Mufokeng's foot, I don't care if it's a penalty. You can't embarrass me like that in front of 20,000 people. Hold his foot. Penalty sharp. Penalty is bad. What? Yo, they made you roll around, and then while you're on the ground, they made you watch the goal. Mufokeng, have some respect for other people, man. And another thing, I mentioned this the other day. Whenever Orlando Pirates players know that there's a derby coming up, all of them start performing like superstars. Tito Maswanganye, the whole season was nowhere to be seen. But now that there's a derby in a few days' time, jiggy, man of the match performances. And always against us, he performs. Even as the disrespect to score a Panenka against us. Now he's putting up performances, man of the match. Tito, Mara Pirates, it's boring. And then once you think you're tired of Tito, you see, that's why Orlando Pirates should have been in CAF store. Because the squad depth is too dangerous. Once you're done dealing with Tito's made you tired, Mbule comes off the bench. And you know you can't get that ball off Mbule. Yeah. And this new Mputhuma, not just scoring every day. And then another thing, once you done Mputhuma, here comes Lewandowski off the bench. And you see the chance that he missed. Makgopa. Watch him against Kaizer Chiefs. That chance he scores. We know them. I know them way too well. The Orlando Pirates team way too well. And Marumo Gallants. Why Marumo Gallants were fulfilling a fixture, Nje. Because they did nothing. Why, when teams step foot into that arena, they all forget how to play football? Pela today, Marumo Gallants twerked. They twerked. Chain keeps his 12 clean sheet or something. Man, why Kaizer Chiefs must be allowed to play in that arena? Guys, you know what? You must sell limited tickets. 10,000 tickets to Kaizer Chiefs fans so Kaizer Chiefs can play in that arena. I want to see what happens. I need to see this. I think they changed the size of the goal posts. They changed them. Pirates make sure to win the toss and then they select one side because they always select that side which they start off. They start there. I'm sure those goals are smaller. And then halftime they switch them. This can't be, man. This team. Why do football's becoming a problem, man? We need to deal with it soon. Because if we don't deal with it soon, now we're all going to be in trouble.
Hello, Sisi. Ngicela ukubuza ze-office ze-Betway Premiership ezo. Oh, okay. Okay, good. Uthetha noTumelo Trom, i-president abalandeli bebhola i-Africa yonke jikelele. Every Africa. Yeah. Lo okwasi speak person. Yes, ngiphinde libe speak person sabalandeli be-Orlando Pirates. Pirates lengu number 1 sis ungayilibali lo ndawo. Pirates lengu number 1 le ithe qelele kwezinye team nge6 points yonke. We are very excitement. Orlando Pirates is doing extra large. Sorry. Ingathi uyithandi nje lento basithe qelele kwezinye team nge6 points. Yamzoli noma ngwe-Chiefs lo. No, sisinifonela ukuthi namhlanje sicela ubuzo ba njengoba iPirates igqugqisa olhlobo iyagqugqisa mos iPirates niyayibona ngoku ndicela ubuzo ba nilinde ntoni ba kutheni ningathathi itrophy le Betway Premiership yohlala eOrlando ingaba nifuna kuze kulimala umntakabani ize nenze lonto ingathi awuyithandi nje lento siswena yakusola usupport iChiefs sishota ngongalambongi ngoku mamela ke sisi sishota ngalambongi lambongi yamakhoyiseni lebi bongela upresident ngoku besenza ebezokwenza isona lebi sithi sifuna into ku Pirates ngoku ithi uqhaqha wena Pirates uqhaqha Pirates ninquthile nizi champions uphile we are very excitement. Kudala besithi sibambe umbrella ngifuna ukuva ngokuba bathini ngo.
Nicha ku Dr. Khumalo. Pain went straight to Nurse Khumalo. Akunjena nje bakwethu bafethu siyashisa kumakhawula bafethu. Hayibo. Ngikhumbula ngalesikhathi ethola i-midfield of the season. Ophaya babedayiswa. Ayashisa umakhawula ngikhathali. Angikhathali. Nithi nisabuilda kahle adla ibhola. Bubo cash content isidina sikamahlale into evula ifridge ingasebenzi. Uzobenzani umyeke izolo? Harito Marayfetsa ngwanaka. 3 goals in 3 league games. 3 men of the match. It's not AI. Harito Marayfetsa ngwanaka. Canje happy Valentine's Day mabhakabhaka. Yes, ibafethu fan royani lokho eqala unyaka. Game uba better ngegame edlule. Game nickname yoba better ngegame edlule. Livithi yothebuya ke-injury nje abamba ukuthi ayijambile. Abafethu yashisa undaba bafethu. Awundaba bafethu ngeke kusolide bafethu. Hayi kabi. Angiyabona namhlanje ke besingabambeki ke namhlanje. Izwile champagne pass akisho apolice kwigoloqa. First touch yamfunke. Kwathiwa pass wenza njalo umbothumo. Wo angeke bafethu ile yabo izinto ezikanje ezenza Dr. Khumalo bagcine sebekhuluma sageja Canje ngiphelelwa amazwi canje 6 points gap mase kuthiwa sibuyele emuva siveze i-league table ngathi AI akuyona hayi Dr. Khumalo sengakuthola ukuthi usukaphi nalezi zinto zisho ngoba le team yakho athinenkinga yenza wonder pha kwiCAF ayibulali ingeke inenkinga ziphi Ayingeke Mfukeng bafethu ayingeke. Mamelodi Sundowns are you ready? Ngoba phela masiqala siyayiqeda. Ayingeke bafethu. Wo. Ayi. Kumnandi ukubuka iOrlando Pirates ingakho becasuka kanje mingadlali. Sengiyabakhetha. Hayi bengingabakhethi bebe-walk-on gets manje ngiyabakhetha.
Yeah, so full-time score Orlando Pirates 3, Marumo Gallants 0. As bafethu, Benza side, ne? Benza side. Orlando Pirates is playing very good football. And logo ngeke ngakusho sometime this season ukuthi sometimes iBenza iyona engilawule kakhulu yabo. Kube ngathi ngiyayiziba igreatness ePirates. Awuthi ngiyayiziba uyibona nje phela ukuthi ama fans amaningi anesicefe, nini isicefe. So kuba nzima ukuthi sicomplimente ama rivals ethu if inzolo nisicefezele. But ke njengoba ngishilo, Benza aside, Orlando Pirates is playing good football. And they're showing it each and every game when they're playing it. Uyalibona ibhola abadlala lihluke kangakanani. Lihlukile from many teams like PSL. I can confidently say Orlando Pirates is the best team in the PSL this season because they are showing it. Buka nje bathi sebe nama titles amangakanani kule season nje iyodwa. And in Nedbank it looks like they are also favorites in the league. They are leading. Their goalkeeper on a clean sheet and they have an exciting youngster. Even if it's Relemo Mofokeng, that boy Relemo Mofokeng, I am telling you, that boy is something else. He is something else. And futhi yabona na kwi-league, if they are favorites kwi-league. They are favorites kwi-league. Bahleli phezulu kwi-league njengamanje. Like yona into abafocus kuyona kwi-league. Abanayo imidlalo yangaphandle abazofocus kuyona no. Fully focus yabo kwi-league. If begcina beyiwina i-league, mina ngizokwamukela lokho because they are a better side. Honestly, they are a better side. And yona into abafocus kuyona leyo. Yabona nje la coach wathi ufika iPirates yabona iphendula into yabona nje bese iPirates mayibuka manje yabona ukuthi they are playing good football. Kodwa phela sazi bese ikusaphansi kusanama games asele basazodlala labantu aba top 3 sazodlala yodwa yabona nje asakazi kuzoyenzakalani sangenzeka iCrumblishe sangenzeka isucceed. Anything ezokwenzeka, we will be there.
Now, for most of you who didn't know that Orlando Pirates was also playing today, they were playing a league game. I assume a lot of people, a lot of us didn't know about this game because we are so focused on CAF, which I think was the highlight of the weekend. Kaizer Chiefs playing the CAF Confederation and Mamelodi Sundowns that was playing the CAF Champions League game. But what I want to tell you after this game is that you can keep hate watching all you want. Orlando Pirates is going to keep beating those teams because they clearly cannot compete. What I said to you is that let's wait for the two important dates, the 18th and the 28th. That's when we're going to handle this Orlando Pirates that looks invincible. We're going to handle them ourselves. Also, what I've noticed in the past few games of Orlando Pirates is that they have a Mofokeng that just kills the hopes of the opponent in the first few minutes. He literally kills all the hopes that the opponent can win the game or can draw the game. Because even if you look at this game, he gets the assist in the opening minutes to kill all the hopes for Marumo Gallants. Then from that goal from Butuma, it was all in Orlando Pirates party, about Tito showing themselves, getting some time to shine, courtesy of Mofokeng. So I do think that Mofokeng is really the engine of that team. And once Mofokeng drops, Orlando Pirates drops.
Yabona uthixo webhola ungakubo. Yabona itafula labo ngoku liyadekwa phambi kwethu. Bahleli ngokuphezulu futhi engathi abazimiselanga kakunyakaza.
Yeah, that's it for the video namhlanje bafethu. Before I say anything, please guys make sure with you guys that ngibuka ama ads. And as in first the other day omunye wa comment wathi mawubukile ama ads, I was so happy. Angakhohle uku-mention on the next video. Namanje ngizomention i-video nezayo ne. But into engifuna ukisho nje ukuthi coach uTito Fitz deserve a beautiful 90 right now. Tito deserves a full 90. Yabona nje namhlanje mfethu there was no need ukuthi keep uTito. Okay, I understand ukuthi like bufuna ukuthi really angene lapha ku10 foot. But uTito was having a game of the season for himself because too angisho ngoba because phela ngifavorite kaTito mfethu ngiyamthanda but nje mfethu namhlanje mfethu uTito was amazing bro. Lela goal ukuthi uligejile mfethu if it wasn't for Mbuthu if Mbuthu didn't stand azange amendleleni mfethu ngabe uTito shaya igoli elihle mfethu I want people who hate Tito bafethu. It's high mina nginithatha serious. That guy bafethu ne. Yo, ngizobhala incwadi ngoTito one day bafethu. Yo, abafethu kuyadlala, but coming to the game emnandi bafethu, and watching Mofokeng like yo. Unfortunately futhi angiyona analyst ngizo-analyze ukuthi yabona iCatenaccio besidlala kanje yabona mfethu I'm just a guy who'thandela ibhola and I was impressed. Yabona into edlalwa iPirates right now bafethu, we deserve the league. We deserve the league. And lo mjida lo ohlezi ukhuluma ngama-play ePirates umlamuli naye futhi namhlanje ukhulume kahle washo ukuthi we deserve the league, bro. We are the best team right now. We are the best team. You can't dispute that. I-Sundowns iperforme namhlanje kwi-CAF, even though I wasn't watching izolokhu bebe-perform, I don't care, but we-league mfethu simnandi bafethu, and please let us win the league bafethu, just this once. For Mofokeng ukuthi ehambe mfethu ne-league ewine yonke into ku-Pirates, he can possibly win. And konje ngifuna ukuthini bro, azi mfethu ngicabanga le game ye-Chiefs because ngigcineke iscore ku-2-0. I was so excited ngakhumbula ukuthi shit, semele Chiefs manje kubuye mfethu izohlupha thina kwi-league manje bro. I don't like that bro. So before ngikhuluma izinto eziningi zengibheda bafethu, ngiyabonga for tuning in, thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing, and thank you to wonke umuntu obukela ama-ads bafethu. So right now I'm gonna be doing a video ye-Chiefs, so please make sure guys ukuthi you guys stay tuned, and ngiyabonga bafethu.